How you doing? John Tech here. Hey, a recent request from one of my little subscribers, maybe out there. He goes, "What does garlic look like underneath the microscope?" And I'm gonna try and dupe him. I'm gonna try and dupe everyone out there. All right, so let's put the little let's take a little garlic thing here. Yeah, and let's. I mean, I'm going, right? I'm going. Yeah. Hello. Hey, whoa, hey, there I am. All right, so I'm gonna put the little thing underneath the garlic splicer here, and I'm looking. Woof, excuse me. We're looking at some stinky stuff right now. Everybody, plug your noses. You got your noses plugged? Everybody, yeah. Kids at home? Yeah? No? Yeah? PU at that point there. Alright, so let's go and find this one. Because garlic, let's all be honest about garlic. That's some stinky stuff. That is some delicious stuff. Like someone says, like, I need to cook a piece of garlic, and someone cooked an extra piece of garlic to cook that garlic. It's like, yeah, that's the way to do it. That's the way to protect yourself. That's the way to get the vitamins in. Garlic is delicious. I love garlic myself. And my wife hates it. You know, like, well, she doesn't hate it. She puts it in there as necessarily at that point, you know. But yeah, okay. So let's see here. So here's the end. Here is the end. Can you all see the end of my thing there? That right there. Is that okay? Is that okay? All right, ready? We're gonna start the press. Are you ready? Is everyone ready? I don't know if everyone's ready. Is everyone ready? All right, ready? All right, we're look at that! It's bubbles! It's bubbles! Oh my goodness! Okay, ready? We gotta hang on 1 second. We gotta pause for station identification and a little bit of some. Excuse me. Excuse me. I gotta raise the microscope up just a wee bit here for impromptu reasons. Like, whoa. Is that really what I'm squeezing out? Is that really the thing that I'm squeezing out there? All right, I'm just gonna. Hey, you see that one right there? I'm just gonna. Hey, you. Hey, how's it going? Hey, you. Hey, how's it going? Whoa. Hi, how are you? Are you okay? You doing fine? I'm doing fine. Hey, how's it going? I'm just gonna do a little bit of a increased exposure here. Hi, how are you? I'm just with my right hand here. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Can I come at you with a surgical tool? I'm gonna come at you with a little bit of some surgery there. All right. Hi. How are you? Woo. Hi. How are you? Can I take you? Oof. Excuse me. Can I? Oof. Apparently not. Can I have you? Can I? Oof. Can I? Oh, excuse me. Oh my goodness. It's so soft and mushy. Oh my goodness. I just realized that I've got a big old mess like sitting right down by me. Can I have you? Can I have any of you? Is that okay? Can I have you? Yeah, how about you? How about you? Can I have you? Thank you. Yes? No? Yes? Hey. How about you? Can I? Whoa! I have it. I have a piece of the pie. A piece of the pizza pie. What do you look like? Hey, cat, you look like a fish. Look at you. Oh, I put you back. I didn't mean to put you back. You. Can you come with me again, please? Can you? Hey, we have a destiny and YouTubery at that point. Come on. Hey, gee. Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me. Can I have you? All right, let me try you again there. Oh, I got you. All right, so there it is. You didn't see it on there, but you can trust me. Whoa! There you go. Cellular structure at its finest at this point here. Let me just kind of. No, actually, I'm already at 50x magnification. I'm kind of surprised. That is sort of an interesting cellular anatomy at this point. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa, it's all greasy looking. You know? We make soup out of you. We make soup out of this. Oh, I'm losing it. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry about that. You know, this is starting to smell. Delicious is what it's starting to smell. Anyway, so that's all for today with it. Just a quick short video on there. Hey, let me know in the comment videos if you are interested in viewing a certain something out there, and I'll see if I can scrounge around my house trying to be able to find it. But as always, we'll see you around on the next video. Make sure to comment or tell your parents or tell your kiddos to comment like, hey, what does it want me to look at next? All right. Have a good one. We'll catch you around. See ya.